Hello, everybody. This is Robert with Social Ubiquity. I am going to go through a short tutorial with how to connect Instagram to your Google My Business. We use a software tool called Zapier. Now, Zapier makes it very simple to use, connecting applications to one another and basically transferring the data, the important data that you need. So let's get into it. So we're going to go into Zapier here, and we're going to create a Zap. So from this Zap, okay, we're going to go to Instagram and we're going to choose an event. So the event is new media posted in my account. And then we're going to go to continue. We're going to choose the account that we're going to be using, which is Social Ubiquity. Continue. And now we're going to test. We just want to test the connection here. So make sure everything turns green. Okay, great. All right. So now the next thing that we want to do is we want to create or use the caption and the media URL. So we're going to go to continue and we're going to go to Google My Business. So anytime that you post into Instagram, you want it to automatically go into Google My Business. Since Google My Business is considered something like a social media, you always want to keep up with it. So what we want to do is create a post. And then from there, we'll go to continue, choose the account. So we're going to go into my account here and continue. Now we want to choose a location. So I'm going to choose a location of Social Ubiquity. So we will go to here and summary. So I need to take that caption. All right. Topic type is going to be standard. So it's like a standard post into Google My Business. Action button type, that is optional. That is basically if you want to put in like a phone number or a custom URL. But most of the time we just leave those blank because Google likes it when you use their application to be able to click for the website, for the phone, or for directions there. Now we could go to a photo source, so this is optional as well, but we're going to just pull in. Let's see here. So we are going to go with media. We'll just go here. Let's refresh this. And let's go to test the action and we can retest. And as we retest, we want to make sure that everything stays green, which everything is great. So now you can publish. So now we are ready to publish. Publish the Zap, publish and turn on. It is that quick. Of course, you got to get all your accounts set up in Zapier, but that's a very, very short process. Now all you got to do is just name this. So this could be Social Ubiquity Instagram to GMB. And there you go. And now you have a connection between Instagram and Google My Business.